Happy day 23. It's almost done. I was surmising this morning as I had a rough night. I didn't sleep well, so I'm wondering if it's just exhaustion or excitement that it's almost Christmas. I don't know. Well, so for some reason, I did not sleep well, as you can tell from the bags under the eyes. And I had hoped to look a little bit more, I don't know, put together and festive for those last couple days. But I think I'm just going to forgive myself and just power through. This is my last day at work, thankfully. And, well, at least I'm doing Monday, Tuesday, and then I work Friday. So I have Wednesday off, thankfully, for Christmas Eve. And then Christmas Day, obviously, taking that off. But I have to work on Friday, so I have a short week. But a lot to do in the next few hours before I wrap up things. And knowing my personality, even though I'm off tomorrow, I'll be checking my work phone and not being, not disconnecting. Although, honestly, historically, things have never been on fire on the holiday. So I really shouldn't, I should just not care. Nothing is going to, the world's not going to end. Yeah, this will be our last red cup, I think, because I think tomorrow I will go out and get myself a coffee from Starbucks. So if I show you a red cup tomorrow, we'll see. But likely this will be the last red cup of the season. Will I be putting them away? Probably not, but you won't see them. I have a lot of my own cups like this. So when I make coffee at home, I think Dawn Donuts asked that question about do I take them into Starbucks. I don't trust my Starbucks here. They're horrible to make the coffee correctly. So during the week, I usually brew my own pot and use these to-go cups that I get. And I have a few seasonal. They're seasonal, but they're like ones I've purchased over the years. A few that have come via events like Earth Day or the like. So I have a grouper set that I use throughout the year. And then I have the red cups that come out only for the holidays. And usually they come out just after Halloween, pretty much. And I start using them from then on. I have a few that are specifically fall themed, have like leaves and stuff on them. So those come out usually like September time, and I'll keep using them off and on just before Thanksgiving. And then those kind of get weaned out and just to the red cups. But like you care, I'm just talking. Anyway, today is Tray Tuesday, and we need to swap out the fragrances. I do have a couple of mind games. We're stocking them up. I might only just try out one though today, and then just leave the rest for the future trays that we'll have next year. That we have stuff to test out. So let me look up the notes. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to look up the notes and see which one fits in with holiday, because holiday will be back on the tray this week. There's my team's stuff. I gotta get back and check on that. Holiday will be on the tray this week, which is a fresh and clean juniper cedar base type of scent. So I kind of want to stay in that realm of fragrances. So maybe the wood sage and sea salt will be on the tray. So let me see what the notes are on these two, and if I don't use one of these two, then I will grab ones that we tried earlier last week. So I'll be right back. So this is hard because they each have some of the same notes as holiday. So holiday's got cedar and vetiver as the base notes, and then rose and jasmine as the middle, and then it's got citrus and peach. Opera Mate has just vetiver, but has some grapefruit, so some citrus. French Defense has rose and cedar in it and mimosa. So it's like, oh man, how do I choose? So I think we're going to go with French Defense because it's cherry, violet, chamomile. It's got a lot going on. Rose, geranium, mimosa, amber, blonde woods, and cedarwood. It just seems interesting. So let me write French Defense here. But honestly, they both sound great. Let's see here. French Defense was the lighter colored one. Let's see how this smells. Okay, that's interesting. I'm definitely I get the cherry, but that blonde woods, like the minute I sprayed it, I was just like, that went masculine. Like I smelled aftershave. Like it's mellowing out, but it's like that hint of aftershave. It's definitely, it's interesting. All the different notes. That's interesting. I think that would smell better on Stefan than me. I don't know. We'll see it on skin. I'm not sure that's what I want to wear though for this week. That's interesting. Damn it. Okay, no, we're trying the other one now. So that was Opera Mate, right? Which has the vetiver, and I have a feeling the vetiver is what will make me have it lean towards being like holiday. Okay, that's definitely different. It's very sweet, but still a little crisp. It's got Divana in it. The other fragrance I have that has Divana in it is Wonder Woman from House of Sillage, and I love that one. Okay, yeah, no, we're going this route. We're going with Opera Mate. That's interesting. That's really interesting. Chestnut, labdanum, grapefruit, creme brulee, Divana, vetiver, caramel suede. It's very sweet. This is totally gourmand. I wanted to do like a crisp scent, but that French Defense was not. This wasn't the right vibe for. I don't like using that word vibe, but this wasn't the right vibe for this week. This makes sense. This could be, like Christmas Eve, like almost like invoking eggnog, but you know what I mean? That like sickeningly sweet kind of, but in a good way. It's almost like French toast maple syrup, that kind of thing. Oh, wow. Interesting. Okay. So we gotta finish out the tray. So these two are going to go on the tray, holiday and Opera Mate. And then I'll get the rest of the tray figured out. Okay. So apparently I lost the footage for last week's tray, and I'm not going to bother reassembling and redoing the tray just to talk about it. So here's a picture of last week's tray. So we wore Mickey Mouse, the favorite of that House of Sillage collection. Although I will say I only tried the mini one time, and I'm eager to pick up that at some point. Got the Yum Bougie Marshmallow and Kayali. Those are just okay. I may or may not repurchase. I just don't see myself buying a full size anytime soon. Vanilla Skin is okay as well. I just don't see myself repurchasing that one. It's not that impressive. It's fine. I miss Vanilla Incense from Atelier Cologne. I baby that bottle because it's the last of what I have and that it's not made anymore, but it's one of my favorite vanillas. So this was the tray of the week. Let's move on to the next one. All right, we're here with the final tray of 2025, which is so sad to say, actually, but okay, whatever. We are going to have 2 holidays left in the year, so holiday will be on the tray, obviously, very fitting. And then that one's a really crisp scent, as I love. So wood, sage, and sea salt is coming also on to the tray. And then I thought Bo Peep made sense. This is trend number 6 from House of Sillage. Very similar. It's a gourmand, but also kind of refreshing and effervescent. So threw that one on there. That might be a New Year's Eve, possibly scent. We'll see. Then moving over here to Silver Birch and Lavender, also a kind of fresh scent from Jo Malone, but floral, obviously, with the lavender. And then we're going to do the Mind Games. So I grabbed Jadoub because I did like that one. We tried it out last week. And then the Opera Mate one. And that will be the 6 that I'll use for the last, I guess, 2 weeks of 2025. Well, less than 2 weeks, but, you know, last 2 weeks. And I just realized that I probably should have picked out a couple more fragrances. So I think this is enough. Worst case scenario, I'll just grab one of the other Mind Games, or maybe the House of Beau, or Xeridoff ones that we got from Molly. So this will be the final tray of the week. What time is it? Is it time for advent calendars?
Yeah. All right. Next holo taco. Oh, turned that one wrong. Go with this one. Okay, this one. Kind of silvery. Actually, this one looks for all the world like Minchie the cat. I think Minchie was a color like this, wasn't she? Mm-hmm. This one's called
Ice Angel.
That's Ice really Angel, yes. Those were the skaters on the Donnie and Marie show, weren't they?
Mm-hmm. Pretty.
Okay. I did not try the Blood Orange Boost tea. I was just kind of busy this morning, so I didn't get around to my second cup of tea. And I certainly felt that at work. All right, so we are at 23 here. Second to last tea in this package. This one is caramel shortbread, and it's a fruit infusion, so it can be drunk anytime. It smells all right. Candy number 23. Oh, it's in a tall one. What we got in here? Oh, it's in an opaque wrapper. Oh, Cafe Latte Crispy. Oh, you'll like these, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cafe Latte Crispy.
They
Two of them.
sound delicious.
All right. On to second to last of the mind games. Okay, what's it called? Blockade.
Interesting.
Okay. All right, well, hopefully I can open tomorrow's without breaking it. On to the doggies. Number 23 here. The last of the cookies. Oop. This one is a frosted candy cane. I'll just chop this up for you kids in a minute. Move along to the this one, I swear.
It's one more day of fried chicken.
Yes. Fried being a contraction of freeze-dried.
That's their favorite.
It works. Okay. Pickle Pop. Get the first one. Num num num. And Poppy. Num num num. And no. Boo. Where's a big piece? There's one for the Boo. Yum yum yum. Pickle. Another one for Poppy. Num num num.
Give each other kisses. You're so sweet.
All right, and now I got two more candies. Tonight's is, where are you at? Number 23 there. It's the teardrop one, or egg, or whatever they call this. Almond Marquise. All right. One more to go.
One more advent calendar to go.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed our adventure today. And tomorrow will be kind of a clip. Well, no, Christmas Day will be a clip show. Tomorrow is going to be a hodgepodge of things. We both have the day off, so we've got some time. But we also have to skedaddle up to Vancouver to see his family. So we'll be sashaying it along very quickly. So it won't be a very long video, but there'll be something. There'll be something there. We will see you then. Take care.
Counting down. So in this Christmas time.